Can our architecture serve community as a source of spiritual spaces? Can our architecture be symbolic representation of faith? Can our architecture convert sunlight into a divine light? Can our architecture be smart and sustainable? The architecture speaks more than architects. And here, in the case of Nag Mandir, each and every feature of the temple speaks about spirituality, divinity, and sustainability. Kolhapur, a city of Maharashtra, is graced with the ancient and architectural wonders like Mahalakshmi Temple and Kopeshwar Temple, Khidrapur. On the outskirts of Kolhapur, we have designed a Nag Mandir. It's a small spiritual place created on open space in a colony.
So we tried to build 100% green building with local labor, local material, local techniques.
The main challenge in the designing was putting in place light and ventilation in a small space and low budget. Also, it being a temple, the traditional and religious values had to be kept in mind. With these things in mind, we decided to use black basalt stone, which is locally available, and to use Hemadpanthi style.
आर्किटेक्ट साहेबांनी त्यांची नवीन कल्पकता त्यांचं एक म्हणणं होतं की पायापासून ते शिखरापर्यंत 100% पाषाण वापरायचा म्हणजे काळा पाषाण ब्लॅक स्टोन आणि त्या पद्धतीने त्यांच्या म्हणण्याप्रमाणे आम्ही ब्लॅक स्टोन पायापासून ते शिखरापर्यंत ब्लॅक स्टोन वापरला आणि एक नवीन शिल्प म्हणजे त्याला हेमाडपंथी मंदिर आमच्याकडे निर्माण झालं.
The approach of the design was using an octagonal plan. The proportion of the temple is similar to the ancient temples.
We made a physical model to understand the scale and proportion of the actual mandir.
Being it a Nag temple, we decided to use concept of Navnaga found in our Shastra. So, different forms of Naga have been arranged on 8 faces on the octagon and one at the center. Each Nag is carved in the same black basalt stone. The shikhar of the temple is composed to match the design, giving birth to the idea of simple superimposition of octagons in layers.
To visualize snake from outside for the Nag Mandir, we use the geometry of snake for the shikhara. So people can take shikhar darshan from outside.
Exactly above the Nag statue, the sunlight is being passed through the glass sphere imported from Belgium, giving sense of spiritual light and depth to the Garbhagruha.
To obtain a divine light inside the temple, we made a skylight near the neck of the snake. So divine light can achieve from the inside.
Garbhagruha is the most significant and sacred part of the temple. Hence, our motive was to create something close to serenity and divinity, which gave us the idea of introducing natural light as it is unaltered entity. This temple changed the whole atmosphere of this colony. People are visiting it daily.
All people, they contributed funds towards the construction of Nageshwar Mandir. Here, after construction, many people, they come here to have darshan of Nageshwar, as well as people are coming here for morning as well as evening walk. Especially walking track is built here.
People are developing whole area of this open space as they feel like their own space. This small space creating large impact on society, which created energy and inspiration for further development.
This project is initiated by people, sponsored by people, for the people, for their spiritual need.
We require such a smart spaces and places to create smart and sustainable cities. When an architect's dream becomes dream of thousands, timeless architecture happens. I feel from the bottom of my heart, we as an architect should do such a architecture, which gives timeless impact, timeless thought, timeless beauty, timeless experience.